Hello, everybody. I'm Madame Sensei. I teach Spanish, French, and Japanese to high schoolers out here in the beautiful Pacific Northwest. I am thinking my way through the Harvard Project Zero thinking routines. And if you want to help me with this, I'm at studio-nemo.com or the Minecraft Education Ambassadors or the Minecraft Teachers Lounge, or ping me at the Duolingo Educators Network. I would love to flesh this out with you. We are still in the perspective taking section of the Harvard Project Zero thinking routines, and again, they are located right here. And today we are looking at stories. This is a routine for uncovering accounts of complex issues. This thinking routine asks for contemporary issues, but of course you can use history or any piece of literature. At one point, maybe 20 years ago, it was popular to rewrite fairy tales from the villain's point of view. So, of course, you could have your students do that. That's always fun. When teaching grammar explicitly, and you need to scaffold, you've got pop-up grammar you're doing, or the grammar translation method, or audiolingual method while looking at transformation drills, or community and language learning and dissecting a script your class wrote, or you are working straight out of your textbook. Depending on if you're having your students writing or rewriting an existing story or talking about a historical event or reporting on a current event, you may need to teach them some writing or speaking conventions. Like, for example, history is always written in present tense in French. Or I have had 5 students who spoke Tamil last year, and they were taking the Stamps World Language Test for Tamil, and they really struggled because news reporters use an archaic version so that they can sound more formal. So you might need to teach those conventions. When teaching literature, culture, history, or art, you know what I really like to do with this one? I started with using this one when I had this great repetitive pop song that came out, and I needed to teach my French students passé composé, which is the composed past tense. It's composed of 2 different things, and this pop song, J'ai cherché by Amir, it's very nicely repetitive, and I figured if I could get my students singing this song, they would internalize this form of past tense, okay? And it was perfect. So repetition is the key to success, right? And also, repetition is the key to success. And this is so repetitive, and I'd heard the song on heavy rotation on the radio, and so I was getting ready to teach it to my class, and I finally looked it up on YouTube. Imagine my surprise to see, like, so many songs I should have known. It has a heavily directed video that has absolutely nothing to do with the lyrics. So once the students learned the song, then we went back to the video and we talked about the angles that got left out, things that gave a different impression, basically how this video was changed from the lyrics of the song. And it was really good thinking routine for that. In our next episode, we are going to look at the 3 whys. Hope to see you there.